you go. Yan, so ganda ng bahay. Ito fam, yung sobrang laki ng backyard talaga. Yan, ganda yung backyard, and a really nice backyard. Sobrang lapad.
The road na papunta na naman po ng south ang Alabang. Wow! And Daddy is driving na. Yan. Pero dadaan muna kami ng Costco to buy some stuff para sa dinner party barbecue namin with my workmate. So, syempre, gala ang Alba Farm pag weekend talaga. So, nagpa-plan talaga kami ng pupuntahan or mapupuntahan pag weekend. Kasi syempre kasama namin ang kids. Hello! Ayan! Excited sila kasi may makaka-playdate sila doon.
Saan tayo pupunta? Anong lugar sa Calgary?
Copperfield, yes. Doon yung bahay ng workmate ko, si Katie, na pinunta na namin din before. Kung natatandaan nyo, parang hindi na kami nakapag-vlog nun kasi sobrang dami nangyari na time na yun. With the big backyard nila, doon ulit kami. So, ayan, ito sobrang sunny na talaga ng Calgary. There you go. Pa-south na naman po tayo. What a beautiful day to go out. Syempre, ang init na.
Naka-aircon na.
Naka-aircon na tayo, mga fam. Yes. So, Calgary is sobrang init naman pag summer. So, kailangan namin ng ilabas ata ang aircon. Medyo nandun na kami sa ano na yon, ilalabas na namin ng aircon.
Konti na lang. Lalabas ko na yung portable aircon namin.
Yeah. Kasi nag-40 degrees din dito pag summer. Like last summer na parang ganun ka.
Hindi ka talaga makakatulog.
And uso na naman po ang wildfire. So let's all be vigilant pag magba-barbecue tayo outside, and may mga party tayo like outdoor, yung magdadala-dala ng mga grill. Ako, mag-ingat-ingat po tayo kasi nga syempre mabilis ang kasi mainit talaga. Mabilis magkakaroon ng bush fire somewhere. So, yan.
Ano ang bilid sa'yo sa Costco?
Strawberry shortcake.
You're okay. So, you're gonna look for the strawberry shortcake. Yun talaga yung request ng host kahit nung last time pa.
Yeah.
Pero nasaraduan kami ng Costco. So,
Yep. So, we're on the way.
Pipilitin namin bilhin. Okay, so see you later.
Yep. So, see you later, fam! And malapit na kami, fam! Ayan, after how many minutes?
20 minutes, 25 minutes.
Yeah. Kasi dumaan pa nga kami ng Costco. So, hindi ko nabili yung gusto namin bilhin. Bumili lang akong basta cake. Almond something cake.
Okay.
Yeah. So, malapit na kami. And late na naman po.
Hindi naman. Sakto lang.
May ibang usapan pero time check ngayon magpa 5:45 na. Kasi nga dumaan pa kami ng Costco. Pero hindi naman hindi naman strict ang timing kasi matagal ang araw ngayon hanggang alas 10 pa.
Yeah.
So okay lang tayo ma-late.
Daming fam na nasa labas ng bahay nila.
Yeah,
nag-chill.
ito yung nila, community. Ayan na. And, sige anak, mga anak ko, active. Ayan, medyo malapit sa school ang bahay nila. Katie. Ito community nila maganda din. Ayan, we're here. Ayan, ito ang neighborhood ng aming friendship here.
Cul-de-sac. Ganda.
Ah,
Ganda oh.
ganda ng area nila.
Alright,
Ayan
so
na.
sige. Check natin kung pwede tayo mag-video sa loob. Paalam muna tayo.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alrighty.
There you go. Yan, so ganda ng bahay. Ito fam, yung sobrang laki ng backyard talaga. Like, overrated yung backyard. Dito kami. Copperfield. And look at that backyard. Sobrang laki ng backyard nila, ma'am. Kasya parang dalawang bahay pa. Look at that. And syempre si Kuya Davon mag-ball agad. Soccer. Pass to daddy. Pass to daddy. Okay. Okay, daddy naman. Whoop! Ang galing ni Kuya. Okay. Okay. So hi muna tayo sa crowd dito. And yeah, see you later. Dito na kami ni Mommy. And look at that. Wow. It's a gazebo. Gazebo. Katie. And hot pot. Barbecue and hot pot. Ang sarap.
Pwede ba ito kami?
Kompleto veggies and then may mga sauce dito.
Tinanggal na niya kasi nagsob.
And madami-dami pang seafood.
Mukha pa.
Right.
So she's trying to get me to work her shift, you know, the 7th. And I've been wanting to get my June 8th. Like I said, nobody reads. You're trying to get me to work your shift on the 7th, but I'm trying to get the 8th off. So I said, are you able to work? Because technically next week's my last weekend. And then
Doon, madami ng kainan, usapan, and konting inuman. And then here, my friend. Ooh, look at that. This is for the s'mores for the kids? Yeah, they're doing s'mores tonight. Tonight, like, it's already 8:30 and the sun is still up, but sure. With a really nice backyard here. And si Davon and si Lianik are actually inside. Nanonood ng Paw Patrol. Yeah, doing that. Like the barbecue matches and all. Yeah. Circle time daw. And kasama si Kuya Davon with the ates. Yan, fam, oh. Look. Sunny. Calgary. And sobrang ganda ng setup nila dito. Kasi meron siyang gazebo dito. And then look at the house. It's huge. Ang laki din ng platform niya. So nandyan para may privacy kasi tinayuan ng mga townhouse dito. So yan. Okay. That's my kuya. Oops! Be careful! You need to pick up the ball. Ayan. Oh. Ganda ng may backyard talaga. Iba. Wow. And that's Davon. And that's his playmates. Yan ang mga ate. Yan. So actually, ito ang inaabangan nila, fam. Yung s'mores dito. So, nire-ready ni Tito. And may upuan talaga yan. So yeah, just enjoying their nice backyard. Super ganda. Gee, do you need any help?
And they're starting to do the s'mores now. Kuya! Oh no, you burned it!
go pick up the kids and bring them back.
Kuya!
I used to have a trampoline.
Oh, the marshmallows there.
Here, baby. There. Go. Not too, yes.
You see it turn brown?
Where is she?
Maganda phone ko, girl. Apple ka, di ba? Yours is better. Just yeah, my oldest is 22.
Okay, do it, girl.
Oo, ginawa namin play. Tsaka kami lang po mag-gano'n. Kami lang. Sana sumama ka. Sumama sa akin. Yun na sila lahat.
Oh, wow.
Thank you.
Wow, that's so good.
Yeah, alright. Okay.
They're enjoying.
So, rating lang namin. Matutulog na, magpapahinga na ang Alba Fam Bam. So, please don't forget, yung mga 60% na nanonood sa amin, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, salamat. Maayong buntag. Buntag na diri. It's around 1 a.m. na. We're going to catch you on the next video. Hang loose!